guys, I'm Rayhane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful keychain. This keychain make with these beautiful birds and flower. So let's go to see how to crochet this. I started with magic ring. And then make 2 chains and put a hook into this magic ring and make double crochet here. We need 15 double crochet into this magic ring. Then put a hook in the first chain exactly here and make 1 slip stitch. Then make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 chains and put a hook in the third chains and make 1 half double crochet, and then in each chains we need just 1 single crochet, so make single crochet in each chains until you arrive in the end of this part. Then put a hook exactly here in the second chains and make 1 slip stitch here. Then make double crochet in third chains. Here we need 6 double crochet here. So continue this until you have 6 double crochet in the same space. When you complete this round, then put a hook here in the third chains and make 1 slip stitch, and then go here. We need 1 and 2 slip stitch here, then 1 chain and put a hook in the first stitch, exactly this one, and make 1 and 2 double crochet, then go to the next stitch, and in each stitch we need 2 double crochet. So complete this until you arrive here. Then put a hook here in the third chains and then make slip stitch 1, 2, 3 and 4, then make 3 chains, put a hook in the second chains and make 1 slip stitch, and put a hook in the next stitch, next chains, excuse me, and make 1 single crochet, and then put a hook in next stitch and make 1 slip stitch. Then you need slip stitch in each chains until you complete a round of this round. As you can see, I make slip stitch in round of these birds, so you must do this too. So put a hook between these loops and make slip stitch around of these birds. Now I complete these birds and I want to make another of these birds again. So again I crochet this, another one of these, we need 2 of them, and then don't cut this yarn, so I will come back soon for complete this part. Then for the next step I want to crochet this wing burn for this part. So I use a different color of yarn and then I make magic ring and put the hook here between this part and into this magic ring we need 6 single crochet here into this magic ring. Then I make a slip stitch and make a circle, then make 1 chain and go to the here in first chain and make 1 single crochet and 1 chain and then go to the next stitch here, make 1 half double crochet, again here in the same space make 1 double crochet, and then make a picot with 1 and 2 chains and put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch in this part and then 2 chains. Then put the hook in the next stitch, exactly this one, and make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and repeat again here, 1 single crochet and 1 chain. So continue this until you arrive here. When you arrive here, put the hook in the first stitch and make 1 slip stitch here and then cut the yarn. You need 2 of this wing. Okay, now I complete this part and I put something like this for design the eyes of birds. Then I put it here like this and use the hook and put the hook between this stitch, exactly this part, and this stitch of this part, and then make 1 slip stitch. Again repeat, put the hook here and here and make another slip stitch. So you must continue this slip stitch in around of this part, but don't forget to attach this with glue or everything you need is better to this part, and complete this until you arrive here. When you arrive here, exactly this part, put something like this into this bird. Then you have 3D birds here, so put it like me in all of this part of this bird, and then complete this part. When you complete this bird, put the hook here in the head of this bird in exactly this part and yarn over. Excuse me. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 chains here. Then I use the keychain and I make this flower too. I learning this flower in this video, exactly this part. So I put the hook in the first chain exactly here and then yarn over between these 2 parts and make 1 chain, and then put the hook in the first chain and make 1 slip stitch. Again put the hook in the next chain and make another slip stitch until I arrive in the first of this chain here. Okay, now this is complete. I make it in different 2 color. You can make it in each color you want. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. Bye.